Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into episode 2 of our What If series where I mix things up with a bit of madness and serve you something totally unexpected on a plate. So I put up a poll asking which city you'd love me to see experimenting with, and guess what? Goa stole the show with the most votes. And after pizza, the one thing I could eat forever is pasta. So I was wondering, what if pasta was born in Goa? Before starting the video, like, comment, share, and please subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Eat Hunger Plans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Let's start making our Goan pasta. And to challenge myself even more, I'm going to make it a one-pot pasta recipe. First, I'm slicing cherry tomatoes in half. Then cut onion in slices. For crunch and freshness, I'm using yellow and red bell pepper. दोनों को medium slices में cut करना है. For a one-pot pasta recipe, I'm using Agaro Elite Hard Anodized 3.5 liter handi. It's non-toxic, compact, durable, and looks very stylish. Ideal for making biryanis, any gravy, or even to experiment just like me. It ensures better heat conduction, which means your food cooks more evenly and much faster, saving both time and energy in the kitchen. It's incredibly easy to clean. It takes less than a minute to do so. Plus, thanks to its scratch-resistant surface, you don't have to worry about wear and tear even with regular use. Even you can order Agaro Handi for your everyday cooking by clicking on the link given in the description box below. For making pasta, I need a good quality olive oil. So here I'm using Desano Extra Light Olive Oil, which is rich in flavor and aroma. Add 1 spoon of it in the Agaro Handi. Once it's hot, add the sliced onions and saute till it's almost golden. Then take it out and keep it aside to cool down. In the same pot, add 2 liters of water, 1 tablespoon salt, cover with a lid and let it boil vigorously. Now it's time for the main ingredient. I'm using durum wheat semolina pasta from Desano, which is healthier alternative to regular pasta. It contains absolutely no maida, making it better for overall health. It's naturally high in protein and fiber. Add 200 grams of it in boiling water and cook till it's al dente, which will take almost 8 to 10 minutes. Mix it once so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. Now we have to check if the pasta is cooked almost like 80%. Looks good. Strain out the water and keep the pasta aside. Now for the Goan part, I'm making a kafrial sauce. Goa mein काफी famous hai ye and it's super simple. In a blender, add sauteed onion slices, few green chilies, garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, half teaspoon peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon tamarind paste, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of Goan vinegar. It's almost sweet and salty. Finally, add a big bunch of coriander leaves. Then blend it into smooth consistency and your kafrial paste is ready. You can adjust the spice according to your preference. Now in the same pot, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, few cashew nuts and roast till it's nice and golden brown. This is for the garnish and to add more texture to the pasta. Then take it out and add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Saute for a minute. Then add 1 sliced onion. Saute till it's translucent. Then add 1/4 cup each of red and yellow bell pepper and 1/4 cup of cherry tomatoes. Saute everything for about a minute. Add salt and saute till the veggies are just 20% cooked. We want to keep them crunchy. पूरा cook कर लिया तो mushy texture हो जाएगा. Now add the kafrial paste. Mix it in. Then add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. This is homemade. इसका recipe already channel पे है, so check it out in the description box below. Mix it well and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then add the pasta we cooked earlier. Mix everything together. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And here my Goan pasta is ready. I'm not adding any cheese, oregano or chili flakes since काफरियल sauce जो हमने बनाया था उसमें already बहुत सारे spices है and coconut cream है तो cheese might not go well. I'm not sure if I can mix cheese and coconut milk. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Anyways, let's serve it hot. Garnish it with the roasted cashew nuts. And look at this plate of goodness. Looks very vibrant and almost like pesto pasta. कौन बोलेगा ये Goan काफरियल pasta है, right? Let's just dig in. Wow, I'm surprised by how good it is. It's literally a flavor bomb. It's spicy, it's creamy, it's super fresh, it's tangy, and the texture, oh my god, it's so good. The pasta is cooked to perfection. The veggies are crunchy and the cashew nut is the game changer. It literally takes the pasta to whole another level. The cherry tomato bursts in your mouth with tanginess. I highly recommend you all to give it a try and also order the Agaro Handi, which helped me to make this pasta in 20 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below what you want to see next and also comment a pasta emoji for a special shout out. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Hunger Plans. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.